It's Sunday in Maringa, a city in southern Brazil, and I have been told by various people that I need to go and visit the Japanese park, which is about an hour and 15 minutes walk away. Now it's just after 12:30, and I thought, what else am I going to do on a Sunday afternoon? So I might as well have a little wander. I do have headphones to listen to some music as I go, because I'm not filming the whole journey to get there. Even I would be bored of that. So this morning it has been a little bit busy. I went for a 5-kilometer run around the park, which is probably that way. The enclosed forest that I went to a couple of days ago that we can't get in, and at the time I was told that all the animals lived within the jungle, people weren't allowed to go in. But as I ran round, there were monkeys on the pavement trashing all the bins, and I got my phone out to try to take a video. Unfortunately, because I was going so fast, I didn't realise I had it on camera. So these are the monkeys. I took 2 photographs. So they do come out of their enclosed forest, and they make such a mess of all the bins that are around. I then had my unlimited free breakfast. Well, they don't class it as unlimited, I do. And I managed to get some extra food for my lunch. So I'm all sorted. And this looks like a really well influenced part of the city. Some really nice houses. So yeah, a nice long walk. I'm going to get my music going, and if there's anything interesting in the way, I might show you. I've now been walking for about 30 minutes. Nice little stroll. And I just thought I'd show you this cycle path, which I am walking on the edge of, so I don't annoy any cyclists that come along. But look how far it goes in both ways, cutting through the centre of this road. And they do take the green aspect of the city very seriously. Cycle paths everywhere. And then just over there on the right is something you don't see very often in South America. That's a mosque. And here it is. Wow. Right, let's get through these railings. Like magic. So this is the Mohammed bin Nasser Al Ubudi Muslim Mosque. The foundation stone was laid on November the 7th in 1982, and it was actually opened in 1989. How do I know that? Because it says so down there. So there's little tourist information spots everywhere you go for various places in the city. Let me get a better view from over here. So you got the dome. It's very quiet. Right, carry on to the Japanese park. Now I know that there are people who have commented on my running, as I did a 5k run this morning. So there's people that will say you need to take it easy, you need to think about your diet first, etc. So the only reason I do the running is because of the fact when I go back to England, the first thing I will be doing is back to delivering on a push bike for Uber Eats, Just Eat, etc. And I find that when I've come back from travelling, my strolling about very slowly has not really given me much exercise in my legs. So it takes me about 2 or 3 weeks to get used to the bike again and pedalling. So I thought I'd actually start running, get my legs going, get them a bit stronger, so when I go back, jump the bike and go. So the route that the map has given me has taken me through a lot of the back streets, and some of these houses, I have gone past some amazing places. But the problem is I've not been able to do any filming because of the fact the Maringa dog choir seems to go into action. There'll be one dog will start barking, then all of a sudden they all join in as if it's a choir practice. Oh, and I've just heard another one just there. We're safer now, just the one. But I think I've got another 10-minute walk before the Japanese park. But look at that. Amazing places. As you walk around, I mean, I'm back on the main street now, and Japanese park is somewhere down that way. But there is just no people around at all. I've passed the odd dog walker every now and again, but apart from that, it's so quiet. Oh, I can see a gigantic Brazilian flag just there. I assumed when I saw the Brazilian flag that it might be an important building, governmental, but no. This looks like I'm going outside of the city. There's less houses around here. I think this is all just industries. So yeah, it's definitely industrial. You've got a data centre there. You've got a fancy building there. Craft beer over that way. I am nearly there, thank God. So I've come to a bit of a dip, and you get a nice view of more of the city. This is definitely the outskirts where there's a bit of money. And this path is very steep. I am taking my time. And this is the entrance to the Japanese park. Now it's taken me a bit longer than what I thought it would. It's been about an hour and a half, if not a bit more. And it's been a bit warm. At least I think it's Japanese park. I hope this is not just a restaurant. It's been a long walk. Right. There's a sign that says entrance down there. Right, I think this could be the entrance. Oh, there's music. So it is a restaurant. And here's the park. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. We've got the koi fish. and then a nice little walk all the way around. So although there is a restaurant as you walk through, there's a couple of hot dog stands. So it is open to the public. It's not just a restaurant. Look at all that fish. Beautiful. So you got little waterfalls, and I guess this is the path to get across this pond. Let's hope I don't fall in. I think they're hungry. Look at them. Oh my God, they're everywhere. And as you walk across, they actually follow you. Sorry, I've got no food. So I found somewhere to sit down to look at the view in front of us. That is beautiful. And from breakfast this morning, I've got some lunch. The rest is all left at the hotel. And I'm going to enjoy this banana. The banana went down really, really well. And this is the view I was just looking at. So unfortunately I can't get a signal here. So I can't find much information on this Japanese park. But it's quite big. So I've come a little bit higher to get a good view of the whole of the park. It's quite a size. So walking through the park, I have actually found the official entrance. I think I just went through the back door. And there's a tourist information little sign there in English, which tells you more about this place. So Maringa has got a sister city relationship with the Japanese city of Kakagawa, which goes back to 1973. And the park itself has only been open since about 2014. But even when you look around, you've got the Japanese symbol gate up there. And the park is 100,000 square meters. It's enormous. And it's got proper Japanese landscape architectures that actually built it and designed it. So yeah, that's the Torii gates there, I've just been told. So even the trees look Japanese. And I think that's cherry blossom trees in the background there. But inside, it's not just the koi ponds. There's a martial arts sports complex, an event hall, a training centre, and obviously a souvenir store. And as you come through the entrance, you get a better view of the whole complex. This is quite cool. You've got a nice little stream that leads all the way down to the koi pond. And even when you look at that down there, I don't know if you can see the amount of fish that have been wanting to be fed. This is actually quite a cool place, and I am glad I've come down. But if I recommend you to come down, do not do an hour and a half's walk to get here, because there's plenty more walking around when you get here. Now I don't know what this is. It's definitely Japanese in design. This might be part of the park administration offices. Oh, there's a seat down there. I found one. Right, I only take 5 minutes just to chill and relax. My feet are in bits. I needed that because I think I'm on my way back now. I've been here about an hour just walking around, taking in everything. It is such a beautiful place. Very relaxing, very zen, very Japanese. But yeah, an hour and a half walk back, and just getting time for the remaining of my lunch and relax my feet. But if you've enjoyed this video of the walk to and inside the Japanese part, then all you got to do is press that like button. Tomorrow, I'm not too sure what's happening. I should be leaving, but it depends on my cash flow. But we'll find out. And all you've got to do to find out is subscribe, watch the next video. But until the next time, I'm going to get some music on and I'm heading back. Bye bye for now.